Good morning, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're checking this little 5-frame nuke. The other one we just looked at, we did put another box on top of that. That was 115. This is 117, 117, and it's still about 77 degrees out here, sun shining, little cloudy. Wind's not blowing bad yet. Supposed to pick up later, but not blowing bad yet. And we're going to check these out, and y'all give us a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll appreciate it. Y'all have a great one, because we're going to look at these girls. And they have a hole here at the back. And they're eating their sugar. See if we can get a few of them off so we don't squish any of them. Come on, down. Good girls. Y'all thought I lost my hive tool again, didn't you? May need another box for this one too, from the looks at the top. A lot of bees in there. Push it all to one side. Okay, that frame there doesn't have anything on it, either side. Got bees. Yeah, I know. We'll probably wind up sticking that one in the middle. And it needs a new bottom from the looks of it. This one has some nectar and some pollen. This side here has the same thing. Pollen all over here, and then there's nectar. This side we have capped brood, we have larvae, we have pollen, we have eggs, and we have a blue queen. Right there. Right there. We were in much of a hurry. We could go ahead and close these up now because we know we got a queen. She's laying. Come on, move it, move it, move it. This one here we have brood, we have pollen, we have eggs. This side here, same thing. Same thing both sides. one has pollen and some nectar. Same thing on that side. The little girl's just bringing in the pollen. Can you see them? There's a couple of them right there. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is take this one, put it here. We're going to take this one, put it here so she can start laying in a little bit closer to where she's at. Then we're going to take this one over here. Y'all can't see what I'm doing right now. Take this one. And take this here bottom. Take these whole little girls up. Move them over. Take this bottom, stick right there. As long as it's in the same spot, they can get home. That's your sugar and paper that okay, and that is 117. There we go. One 17, 2 28, 21. tractor slowed down and it has me. I'll have a very big fitness threshold. But anyway, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up. Information if you want me to know because I did something wrong. Comments are great. And subscribe. We thank y'all very much.